northeasterly winds. The cold front is moving through almost as we speak.
Okay.
So if you are going to take advantage of this bonus day, you're going to have to get a big
Bundle
jacket.
up. Yeah.
Because you're going to need that throughout the course of the afternoon because, friends, these temperatures are continuing to fall across the area, and it's going to be happening fairly quickly. And that northeasterly wind is going to make it feel even colder when you're out and about. Most of us are in the mid and upper 30s, but with the cold front moving through right now, the colder air is just going to continue to spill in. Zanetta, did you hear how I didn't say cooler air? Oh, yeah. I went straight to colder air that's getting ready to spill into the Mid-South here over the next several hours. Remember the big picture view, that the way the scenario is setting up in the atmosphere with the different layers and the different temperatures and the moisture moving in, chances are better that you're going to be dealing with some significant ice across northern Mississippi and southwest Tennessee, and the winter storm warning for the significant snowfall for the rest of us. Right here along the immediate I-40 corridor, we're going to get a mix. We're going to start with the snow, then we're going to go over to the freezing rain and sleet, so we have a lot to get through over the next 24 to 36 hours. That area of low pressure taking shape, the moisture beginning to move into the area, and you'll remember I've mentioned how the path of that area of low pressure is going to have a great impact on who's getting what, whether it's going to be the snow or the rain or the sleet or the freezing rain. Most of this is going to be of the frozen variety. Notice, though, these northeasterly winds, and here's the timestamp. This is for 3:30 this afternoon, how quickly these temperatures are going to be falling this evening. We're going to be dropping down through the 20s. The northeasterly winds are going to be gusting, and then just after midnight, I believe we're going to start to feel that snow falling across the area. And while most of us will probably sleep through it, by the time you wake up early tomorrow morning, I believe that snow is going to be coming down across the area, with the northeasterly winds still gusting and temperatures having dropped all the way down into the teens. Here's the next big question. When does the snow end and the freezing rain and sleet begin? It's looking like that's going to start right about midday, and I've been watching that pretty carefully here on the 3-day outlook. First, we have the arrival late tonight, and again, you see this dividing line as we're looking at just about all snow overnight. But by daybreak tomorrow morning, that dividing line gets a little bit more to the north of us, meaning we're going to be in that mixed area where we have the combination of snow and sleet and some freezing rain. As that area of low pressure moves through by tomorrow evening, I think we could get a quick break, but don't think it's out of here, because boom, as we make our way through Saturday evening and into early Sunday morning, we have another round of that wintry mix wrapping into that area of low pressure as it moves through. It'll be tailing off with some leftover snow flurries before the next big batch of very cold air moves in. The snowfall models are pretty interesting here. This one is picking up about 6 inches of snow for us, with the greater snowfall well to the north of us. But then I checked out the graph model, and it's even more bullish. It's saying we could see up to 8 or 9 inches of snow here in the Memphis area. The bottom line is that we do have greater snow chances to the north, greater ice chances down to the south. And while we're kind of right here in the middle, we're going to start with the snow, and then we're going to have to add in some of that freezing rain and that sleet. And that is also of a concern, especially across northern Mississippi, because the more ice can cause quite significant trouble. So when you look at the 7-day forecast, yes, we have the winter storm warnings in effect, especially for tomorrow. Then it tapers off on Sunday, and then look what happens to these temperatures. They're dropping dramatically. I mean, single-digit temperatures as overnight lows Monday and Tuesday, and a reinforcing shot of cold air coming in next week. And with that, I've been noticing the wind chills early in the morning, Zanetta, could very easily drop below zero, especially early next week. Lots to be concerned about, but your weather experts are watching carefully, and will keep you updated throughout the weekend.
Oh, absolutely. And hey, don't forget to stay